Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this video, I will be doing something that I saw on TikTok. If you're interested to see what I'll be doing with this, stand by. Alright, so items that you will need to complete this project will include the little canvas thing. It's called a wood wipe off board and it's from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need a image, the sublimation image, a sublimation printer, sublimation paper, and a heat press. Or you can use easy press if you want to as well, but you would need something to print your image onto your canvas board. You'll also need some heat transfer tape. And I believe that is all. If I am missing anything, I will be sure to put it in the description box below. With all that out the way, let's get started. All right, so the first thing that you are going to do is print your image. So you are going to print your image from your sublimation printer. You must have a sublimation printer to complete this project. If you do not have a sublimation printer, it will not sublimate onto the whiteboard. So you will need to print out your image. My image just says home is where the Wi-Fi is, and it has the network and password down there. And in the background, it's the beach. So if you watch my channel enough, you know I love the beach. And I wish I was there right now, but I am not. So I just have pictures to look at. But I love the beach, so I chose a beach background. You can choose any type of background you want to. If you wanted like a watercolor background, you can find those images on Etsy. You can find them on Creative Bug. You can just put it in Google and search watercolor images, and you can print them up and save it on your computer for free. So you can also do that, but if you want like more intricate things that you may not be able to find for free on Google, you can go to Etsy and all those other sites. I did find this beach background off of Google. So then all you'll do is measure the board. The board across is 4 and I think about 3/4, so you can just go up to a 4.5, and then lengthway it is 6 inches. So just make sure you get that right. I did print out this image just a little bit bigger than the board because I just wanted to have a little overlap. So when I go to tape, I can just lay this down like this and then just tape the sides and then press it down like that. You can also do it like this and make sure everything is lined up. You don't want any of the white onto your image because the white does not print. So it'll be white space onto your board still. So like I said, I'm just going to first wipe this off because it has a little alcohol ink on there from a project I was doing earlier. And I'm going to wipe this off. I'm going to also lint roll it to get off any type of lint off of your board, because if you don't, it will be pressed into your image. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this onto my heat press for 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and then I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I am back, and this is the second one I did because the first one I did not come out really bright or vibrant. And I already threw the paper in the trash, but on the paper, I still had a lot of the color left on the paper. And I subbed this one at 400 degrees for actually 2 minutes, so 120 seconds, because the bottom wasn't taped down, so it was really light, so I put it back underneath the heat press. So this one stayed under there for about 2 minutes. And I'm not sure if you can really tell, but it is not really vibrant. It's kind of faded. Yeah. So I did it again. And then we're going to see what this one looks like together. And I cannot tell you how many minutes I put this under. It maybe was like I want to say about 5 minutes. So we shall see what this one looks like. Let me take this tape off. This is hot. All right, and the paper still looks like it has a lot of color left on it. And the sublimation paper that I am using is A-Sub. I still have a lot of that left over, so I'm going to use that up, and then I'm going to try a different brand of sublimation paper. And the sublimation printer that I have is a Epson 7720 that I converted into a sublimation printer. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. All right. I think I left it in there way too long because it looks like it burnt. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's not as vibrant and as popping as what the TikTok video made it look like. And I think this one actually may be broke. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you can really see that. I'll put a better picture of it at the bottom. I like the whole concept, and it does sublimate. The sublimation ink and paper and everything does sublimate onto the canvas because it's like a easel. It's a whiteboard pretty much. So let me get a Expo marker, not a Sharpie. All right, let me find an Expo marker and I'll be right back. All right, so it is a whiteboard. So you pretty much write your network, I don't know, just this. And then on the bottom line, you write the password. Fifth pole. I don't know. That just came to the top of my head. And you write that like that. And then when you're done with it, you can wipe it off because it is an Expo marker. Let me see if these little erasers work. So you could just wipe it off right there. So in case you change your password, like you can set this up in your house. This is great for like weddings or events. Any type of occasion where you you can put these in the center of the table, put the network and the password, and then people don't have to ask 1,020 times, what's the password, especially in areas where the signal may not be great as far as mobile, but the Wi-Fi is popping. So you can put the network and the password, and then like I just showed you, you can wipe it off. Unfortunately, it's not as vibrant, and I'm not sure if it's like my ink or my printer or what, but I haven't had any issue subbing on anything else. And as you see, it's still a lot of ink left on my paper. This did not really take all of the ink very well. And I had this one underneath the heat press for about 5 minutes at 400 degrees. And I had this one under there for two minutes at 400 degrees. So this is the comparison. This one actually burnt. This one is not as vibrant, but if you don't need it to be like padel, then there you go. So I just wanted to show you something that I saw on TikTok, and basically TikTok made me do it. Just try it out. You can try it out for yourself. I would love to see your creations and what you come up with in my Facebook group. It is Crafted Made Easy, spelled the same way as the name of my YouTube channel. You can put all of your creations if you decide to do this. Again, these boards are at Dollar Tree. If you decide to do it, you can post it in a group and you can show how yours turned out. If you are not subscribed to my channel, but you are watching this video, thank you for watching the video, but go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified when I drop all types of videos on this craft channel. I will be dropping videos every Tuesday and Friday. That is my craft schedule. So every Tuesday and Friday, you will see a new craft video from this channel. I will try to throw in some home decor along the way, but every Tuesday and Friday you'll get some type of video. Also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I drop all of those videos. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you know any crafter or anyone who wants any ideas or wants to see how this turned out versus what it turned out on TikTok, go ahead and share this video. All right, y'all, until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.